If Steam is stuck in offline mode and refuses to reconnect, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is one of those issues that can be really frustrating though, especially when Steam looks fine, but it won't go online, won't sync properly, or keeps acting like your internet is disconnected even when everything else works. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it without reinstalling Steam or losing your games. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PC troubleshooting videos. Alright, let's jump in. The first fix is the most common one, and it's called the flush config method. This is a safe way to refresh Steam's core configuration files without deleting your games or uninstalling anything. It can solve interface glitches, login issues, and connection problems that sometimes cause Steam to get stuck offline. Before you do anything, make sure Steam is fully closed. Don't just minimize it, you want to completely shut it down. The easiest way to check is to open Task Manager and look for steam.exe. If you see it running, end the task so Steam is fully closed in the background. Now press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type steam://flushconfig and press enter. Steam should launch automatically and reset its configuration settings. This does not remove your games, and it usually only refreshes the files Steam needs to reconnect properly. Once Steam opens again, log back in if needed and see whether it reconnects normally. In many cases, this alone fixes the offline mode problem. If Steam still acts stuck, move on to the next step. The second fix is resetting Winsock. Winsock is part of Windows networking, and if those settings get corrupted, Steam may have trouble reaching the internet even when your connection seems fine. This is especially useful if Steam is the only app having problems. To do this, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This part matters because the command needs admin access to make system changes. When the command prompt opens, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. After the command runs, Windows may tell you that you need to restart your computer. That restart is important because it applies the network reset properly. Once your PC restarts, open Steam again and check if it can go online. If the offline mode issue was caused by a networking problem, this should clear it up. If you're still having trouble, the next thing to check is whether Steam itself is down. Sometimes the issue has nothing to do with your computer at all. Steam servers can go into maintenance, experience outages, or have temporary login problems. To check this, go to steamstat.us in your browser. This site shows whether Steam services are having issues right now. It's especially worth checking on Tuesdays around 4 p.m. Pacific time, since Steam maintenance often happens around that time. If the servers are down, there's nothing to fix on your end. You'll just need to wait until Steam comes back online. But if the servers are working and your PC is still stuck offline, then the problem is probably local, and the flush config plus Winsock reset are your best first steps. A few extra tips can also help. Make sure your internet connection is working in other apps and browsers. Check that your date and time are correct in Windows because incorrect system time can cause login problems. You can also try restarting your router, disabling VPNs or proxies temporarily, and making sure Windows Firewall isn't blocking Steam. But in most cases, the fix is very simple. Start with flush config, then reset Winsock, and finally check Steam server status. Those 3 steps solve a huge number of Steam offline mode problems quickly and safely. If this video helped you get Steam back online, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.